naturally occurring sea stacks. So these sea stacks are formed over many years as wind, rain, ice, waves, and other erosive effects on the lake makes its way through the softer, weaker limestone. What's left standing here is a harder form of limestone called dolomite. Alright guys, and if you look back to our larger flower pot, you may notice the outline of a man's face there. So you'll see the eye, the nose, and the mouth. This is what we call the Old Man of Flowerpot Island.
So mad, yeah. I got so mad. This is the smaller one and this is the bigger one, right? Exactly.
Alrighty guys, and as we've been making our way around the island today, you may have noticed an orange substance on the rocks, just like the larger ones out to the right there. So this orange substance is actually a living organism called elegant sunburst lichen. Over many years, as this lichen decomposes and decays, it leaves behind a nutrient-rich soil. So now, this nutrient-rich soil is actually the basis for all plant life here on Flowerpot Island, and as a reason our cedar trees here can grow right out of the rock face. Now in fact, some of our cedar trees here are over 800 years old.